Hello there, I'm Ehsan from eBangalore Property and today we are in Basaveshwara Nagar. This is a 30 by 40 independent duplex house 3 BHK available for sale. North facing plot and east facing entrance. Prime residential locality. One car portico is there. Outside also cars can be parked. This is about 2 kilometers from Rajaji Nagar metro station, the current existing metro station. Separate living and dining, central staircase. Built using red bricks, this was built in 1997. So separate dining area and puja room. Ground floor, this is one bedroom. Three bedrooms, all bedrooms have wardrobes. And this is kitchen. Ground floor, first floor, though it is a duplex house, there are two separate kitchens. Ground floor is being used, whereas first floor is being used as a rest storeroom. This is a small service area, common toilet behind, separate toilet and separate bathroom. This is bathroom, common bathroom. Totally duplex house, 3 bedrooms, 2 living rooms, 2 kitchens, and 2 common bathrooms and 2 common toilets. A lot of balconies. So this is the first floor, another family hall. And this is a service area, work area with a balcony type opening, common bathroom and common toilet. This is second bedroom. Construction quality is good. It is very good structure, strong structure. It will last another many years. Red bricks has been used, ground and first floor. Wardrobes, loft. This goes to balcony, I will show you later. Roadside facing balcony. This is the third bedroom. Very good natural ventilation is there. Like whatever you are looking at is all natural light. This room is roadside facing towards north. It has a balcony. Wardrobes. So this is the second kitchen on first floor, being used as a storeroom now. So this is a large sit out, roadside facing, just above the car portico. Now this is the terrace. Solar is there. Borewell, Cauvery water connection. Bascom connection. Please go through the description below the video for all the details. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe our channel for latest properties from Bangalore.